Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ford Explorer cup holder updated. Begin by removing the insert and inspecting tabs, tracks, and debris carefully. Use a flashlight and small pick to clear dirt, then test movement before applying lubricant. If a tab is broken, replace it or use a small epoxy patch to restore alignment. Keep parts organized and take photos for reassembly to avoid confusion later. A clean mechanism often solves the problem, so gently scrub all visible surfaces with alcohol and a brush. After drying, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the sliding rails and pivot points in short bursts. Work the cup holder open and closed several times to distribute lubricant evenly and displace trapped grime. Recheck for any remaining resistance and repeat cleaning if necessary until the movement feels smooth and reliable. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car fix videos. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for snacks that ride in the cup holder area and for keeping spills contained during repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If cleaning and lubrication do not fix the issue, examine broken components like tabs, clips, or the insert itself. Small cracks can be repaired with a quality epoxy or plastic welding, but replacements deliver the most reliable result. Order OEM or compatible parts and compare measurements before purchase. When replacing, align all clips carefully and test the mechanism repeatedly to ensure proper seating and smooth operation for long-term use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.